Good day everyone, this is Viet from Axis Partners and welcome to my weekly Forex Outlook. In this video, I am going to share with you how I will conduct trading for next week, leading up to interest rate decision for USD. Here's a quick summary for those who are not familiar with why the world has been anticipating and speculating the decision from the Federal Reserve next Thursday. Please keep in mind that this is only my understanding of the situation. After the global financial crisis in 2009, central banks around the world began lowering interest rates with the aim of stimulating the economy. As the world economy recovers, it is believed that at some point, interest rates will increase to adjust with growth. At the beginning of 2014, the American central banking system, known as the Federal Reserve, stated that unemployment is the biggest factor in their decision to put up rates. It turned out that 2014 was a really good year for USA job market, with employment figures consistently above expectations. So now all eyes are on the Federal Reserve in anticipation of a rate rise. It is the signal that the world is looking for to say that recovery has reached a significant milestone. For reasons beyond me, September has been chosen as the most likely time for this to happen, although now it has changed to December. For me as a price action trader, it does not matter when or if it happens, but the fact that so much hype and speculation has been built up means that price can move with extreme volatility when people react to the news. Therefore, I will definitely not be trading any USD pairs next week. I will also reduce position size for all trades next week to the smallest possible size. So take extra care if you're trading next week. Right, let's have a look at the currency pairs that I'm watching for next week. Australian Japanese yen on weekly chart. After 3 weeks of sellers in control, price is coming back to 86.30 resistance level. I will be looking for opportunities to go short at resistance if price action shows strong selling at this area. Australian New Zealand dollar on daily chart. If price gets closer to 1.13 resistance, then that would be ideal for me to plan for short trade. Right now, it's too far out and that makes it less attractive in terms of potential reward versus risk. AUDUSD. Definitely not trading this pair next week, but there are two key levels that I'm watching for. First is resistance at 0.7220. And second is the last lower high at just above 0.7400. A break of both of these levels would signal the end of the most recent downtrend. Here's my tip if you want to be able to quickly see highs and lows in a trend. Switch to line chart. My definition of a lower high is the last time price got as close to the trend line as possible. Let me show you what I mean. So I put in a simple trend line, line it up with price, and I get the last lower high right here. This is the last time that price got as close to the trend line as possible. Now, some might say that there is a short opportunity if price does this, and I would agree, but I don't trade like that, so it's not an option for me. Euro Japanese yen on daily chart. Buyers came into action at 132.50 and has started a strong uptrend on Monday last week. Price has reached 136.80 resistance level at the close of Friday. My plan for this pair is simple. I want to see a daily close above resistance to tell me that buyers have cleared this level. If that happens, then I will make plans to go long. Looking at the news calendar for next week, there are numerous news headlines, but none more important than Thursday's FOMC statement, federal funds rate, and the press conference to follow. I'm going to close out all active positions by midday Thursday if I have any. My automated trend following system will trade as usual without interruption because it needs to show me that it is robust enough to trade through anything. If you are trading next week, then keep Thursday's event in mind when making your trading plan. Next weekend, I am once again pressed for time, so if there is no video, then you can find a summary posted on my personal blog. I will add a link to the description of the video. I wish you a profitable trading week and look forward to have you back for my next video. Bye for now.